Hi, my name's Jamie Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about our KPU 19 thermostat. This thermostat is going to be used mostly in commercial refrigeration systems. Think your walk-in freezer and cooler. What this does is it measures the temperature of the air, either in the space or coming off of the coil, and it will control the compressor, usually through a solenoid valve initiating a pump down cycle, and it will do this to control the function of the compressor. Turn the compressor off when it's cold enough, turn it on when it needs additional cooling. These come in different bulb styles. One is a remote bulb. This is usually placed in an airstream to measure the air temperature. The other version is what you would call a room sensor. It looks kind of like a pigtail that goes around in a circle. This is used to measure the room temperature directly. When you mount these, you mount them on a wall. Make sure that it is on a level surface, because if you strap this or tighten this down onto an uneven surface, you'll put undue strain on the actual casing, which can cause the thermostat to become inaccurate. If you're placing this on the actual coil itself, make sure that the sensing bulb is measuring the coldest part of the system so that it is accurately representing what it needs to control. Thank you. Have a great day. And for more information, please visit us at danfoss.us.